We've just acquired this lovely, great value for money Mercedes C200 AMG style. It's got the full AMG body styling kit and alloy wheels, front park distance control. It's in beautiful grey. It's just arrived. The wheels are going to be refurbished, so that'll be like new. Rear park distance control, twin exhaust. Car looks absolutely amazing. Great value for money. Beautiful interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated seats. Bear with me. Car's just done over 105,000 miles. We've got satellite navigation, reverse camera and park distance control, heated seats I've shown you, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, auto headlights, different ways of driving it, driving styles, Bluetooth connectivity. At DJs we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.